Our plans are broken into pillars to support individual contributors and teams. We encourage you to think about where you and your business currently sit when it comes to overall video comfort and strategy before selecting a plan. As your video strategy grows, your success metrics will evolve, and Vidyard has different plans to help you achieve success at every stage. Let's start with our free plan. If you're working solo and just getting started with video, we encourage you to start here. It provides the basics for video recording and sharing with a cap on the number of videos you can create. For those that are a bit more comfortable with video and need added flexibility and features, the Pro plan will be a better fit. But the power of Vidyard really happens when you start to bring your teams together on the same business plan. You can share content, get rich analytics on video and team performance, and start connecting your tech stack. Users of our business packages especially love the ability to centrally manage their users, standardize the look and feel of their video sharing pages, fully customize calls to action, and leverage more security options. So when you're ready to use video as part of your overall strategy and truly measure the impact and ROI of video, this is where you'd want to be. You can check out our pricing page for a full overview of our plans and features.